Hey guys, welcome to another video of the Smart Academy. In this video, I'm going to talk about the negative regulators. Negative regulators. In this previous video, we have talked about the positive regulators and what are the functioning of the positive regulators. In this topic, I'm going to talk about the functioning and the different kind of the negative regulators in details. So there are the different kind of the what is the function of the negative regulators? Let's talk about firstly how it affects the cell cycle. If the cell cycle criteria, for example, if we talk about the G1 checkpoint, if the cell cycle criteria is not completed, that is the cell size and the DNA damage, no DNA damage. If the cell size is not attained well and there is a DNA damage, it means that all this criteria is not completed by the G1 stage or the G1 phase. So what happens? It will not allow the passage of this cell into the S phase. Because all the materials are not completed, it will halt or stop the cell cycle. How it will stop the cell cycle? By the negative regulators. Because these criteria is not completed, then this will send the signals. When the cell send the signals, these signals will go into the negative regulators. These negative regulators then do its work and send the negative signals. And these negative signals then stop the cell cycle. But there are the this is the main overview of the how the negative regulators work. It will affect to produce the negative signals, and these negative signals then stop the cell cycle. But there are the different kind of the negative regulators are also present then. Here we talk about few of them. That is retinoblastoma proteins. There is also P53 and P21. I am just talking about the G1 stage. If you talk about the G1 stage, there are the three main kind of the specific proteins or the negative inhibitors or the negative regulators are present. One of them is retinoblastoma. These retinoblastoma are the these are the suppressor. These are the tumor suppressor. What is the tumor suppressor? Actually, if this cell cycle is not controlled, then there is a lot of the cell division occur at the different time. And this cell cycle is not being controlled. If this cell cycle is not controlled, then this will cause multiple division of the cell. And this multiple division of the cell causes the producing tumors or the cancer. So these proteins, what the proteins do, they will stop the cell cycle in order to save away from the tumor production, in order to save away from the cancer production. While there are the P53 and the P21 also work. How they work? Let's see. If there is a DNA damage, this DNA damage may be due to the ultraviolet rays. This will cause the activation of the P53. When the P53 is activated, then this will allow also another molecule and also another proteins, that is called the P21. This P21 is kinase inhibitors. CDK kinase inhibitors. Inhibitor. These are the CDKs inhibitor. DNA damage send the signals, and this will cause the activation of the P53, and this P53 also causes the activation of the CDKs inhibitor. And P21 is a type of the CDKs inhibitor. What will happen here? This is the complex of the, in the previous video I have talked about, this is the CDKs and this is the cyclin. Instead of attaching this kinase that will produce the phosphate group attached to them, instead of attaching to them, what happens? Here is the complex. Instead of attaching these kinase, the P21 will attach to them. And this P21 stops the attachment of the kinase. And if the kinase is stopped, then the phosphate group will not attach. It means that this P21 will stop the attachment of the phosphate group or will stop the phosphorylation process. This will stop the phosphorylation process. If this phosphorylation process is stopped, then how this complex will attach or will target the specific target proteins? This will not target the target proteins. If the target proteins are not being attacked, then how this can send the positive signals? If the positive signals are not sent to the cell cycle, then the cell will not proceed into the next stage. It means that this P21, when it is attached to this complex, cyclin CDKase complex, then this will stop the attachment of the kinases and these positive signals will not send to the cell cycle. If the positive signals are stopped, then this will halt the cell cycle. Then this will stop the cell cycle. So this is the whole scenario that is happening in the cell cycle negative regulation. I hope you understand this topic. Please go into the comments if you have any question and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.